Hello and welcome to Meditation Made Simple.
We're so glad you're here.
If you have started Sahaja Yoga meditation, then you might have noticed that our attention plays a huge role on how we feel.
And sometimes that attention gets stuck, usually when we have an overheated liver. The liver is the seat of our attention. When we plan and think too much, we heat up the liver. When the liver is overheated, we plan and think too much. It is a cycle.
In today's episode, we are going to share a simple but powerful technique to cool the liver by using ice. It can stop the overthinking and helps us to regain focus.
And you heard that right. It's one of the easiest and most refreshing treatments in Sahaja Yoga.
All you need is something cold, like a little ice pack or a bag of ice cubes wrapped in a towel.
And a comfy place to sit and meditate, that's it. Now, to begin, as always, we raise our Kundalini and put a bandhan.
Lovely! Now that we are connected, we can bring our attention gently to the liver.
The liver is where our attention is manufactured, a factory of our focus, if you will.
And if we think too much, overplan, worry, or just scroll a little bit too long on our phones, the liver can heat up.
And then we feel scattered, irritable, anxious, or just really tired.
So this treatment is a gift. It cools our liver, settles our thoughts, and makes us feel more peaceful inside.
To start, let's sit comfortably, either cross-legged on the floor or in a chair.
Take your ice pack and gently place it on the right upper abdomen, just below your ribs. That's where the liver sits.
Use a thin towel or cloth if it feels too cold directly on. Keep it there for about 10 to 15 minutes while you meditate.
And that's it. Just be present. Let the ice do its quiet work while you enjoy your meditation.
If your thoughts are racing, you can also place your left hand on the ground or towards the floor.
This helps release excess heat and mental activity into Mother Earth. She knows how to handle it.
Now let's go through some questions we have heard from meditators.
Can I do this more than once a day?
Absolutely. If your attention feels scattered or your right side feels hot, just go ahead. Some people even do it in the morning and evening.
What if I don't have an ice pack?
In an emergency, a bag of frozen vegetables will do just fine. Just make sure you wrap it in a cloth so it's not too harsh on your skin. And maybe don't eat them anymore.
How long should I do it?
Start with the 10 to 15 minutes. However, in a pinch, even 5 minutes will make a difference.
And don't worry if it feels strange at first. Your liver will thank you.
Last one. Isn't ice too extreme?
No, not for the liver. It loves the cooling effect. But of course, listen to your body. If it feels too cold, just wrap another layer around the ice pack.
Cooling the liver isn't just about physical balance. It actually supports our attention and it helps us stay in the present moment.
It's like watering a plant that was in the sun for too long. Afterwards, everything feels calmer and more alive.
Just try it out and see how it feels to you. Check in with yourself. Does it slow down your thoughts? Does your mood lighten? And maybe does your attention become your own again?
If we haven't covered all your questions, please ask us in the comment box below. We will get back to you. And thank you so much for joining us today. Try this practice and hopefully you feel lighter, cooler, and more present.
Just try it out a few times and see how it makes you feel different.
And don't forget to join us again for another episode of Meditation Made Simple. Tips, tricks, and tools. See you then. Bye.